Welcome to Simax. So here I am showing you demo of CRM. So this is a multi-tenant application. So you can create a multiple companies. So one that by default one database handles multiple companies. So right now I'm showing you existing company. So this is the data. It shows you analytics. So new leads, today follow-ups, missed follow-up, converted, postpone, reopen. So all leads have some statuses. So closed leads, all leads. So if the lead is converted, then you can create an invoice of that lead. So it will, if your invoice is approved, then it will calculate your revenue. So this is a sort of graph for your revenue and last 30 days leads. So right now I'm showing you a demo of admin. So admin have all the accesses of leads by the agent name. So it will show all agent leads. So here you can search agent name. So I'm searching agent 2. So agent 2 leads have 3 leads. So you can export it to any CSV or Excel. So here I clicked on a view button. So you can update remarks. So you can making a follow up of that lead. So you can specify date and time. So when you want to do that follow up and message. So remarks it successfully. So this is the sort of lead field. So you can update that fields, and you can also assign tags. So this is a high priority VIP person. So you can update, and this is a sort of interaction. So when you update a remark, then it will show you all the details here. So which user added that comment, messages, reminder, so status follow up with specific date and time also. So this is a start time and end time. So when you submit the data, so it will calculate start time startup when that form opens, and that time will be submitted when you click on submit. And you can also send SMS and email. So admin can create a multiple emails. So this is a sort of email preview. So I will show you that how you have to create SMS and emails. And SMS, you can also create SMSs, and you can send that SMS to your lead. And here it shows the invoices analytic. So pending invoices, approved invoices. So this is the invoice, pending invoices. So pending invoices can delete, but approved you cannot delete it. So you can preview invoice, Word, Excel, and PDF. So right now I clicked on a preview. So here that invoice comes up. So tax rate defines in a system setup. You can alter it, and also you can alter a symbol. So you can add rupee, pound, and dollar. It's depend upon your requirement. So you can also browse logo. So these are this invoice fully dynamic. So you can alter company name, address, phone number, and VAT GST number. So when you click on edit, so this is a sort of invoicing. So you can add more products here. You can add multiple products. So this is a discount, other charges, tax percentage is by default 18. So you can alter it in system setup. And tax amount is 118. Total grand total is 1190. So you can save it, and you can preview Excel, Word, whatever you want. You can export that invoice. And at below there is a sort of interaction. Remarks, pending, approved, whatever transaction, whatever status is happened on that invoice, it will shows invoice logs at bottom of the invoice. So you can view that What's the current status of that invoice? So current status is pending. First one is new lead. It means that when new lead is created and assigned to that particular agent, then it comes up in a new lead. So when click on a new lead, it will show us all the new leads. So any agent can work on it. Follow-up happens to a current date, then it will show the count so that agent can check that there is a today follow-up for a particular leads. So missed follow-up, if any agent missed that follow-up, then it will come in a missed follow-up. So converted, if agent knows that that lead should be converted or that lead should be matured, then he can convert that lead. So after conversion, he can create an invoice for that particular lead. So agent can also postpone lead. So if the lead is closed by agent, means lead user, lead customer, particular customer doesn't interest in your package or in your business, then you can close that lead, but reopen that lead again. So in all leads, you can check all the lead. So here it shows all the leads. So you can also search by a date. So also for agent, for admin, it shows all the agents. So admin can filter out which agent missed leads, which agent closed leads. Yeah. Okay. So this is the full search, full lead search. Admin can also reassign lead to any agent. Simply click on a checkbox and then reassign. So admin can reassign to any of the agent. I'm showing you a lead auto assign. So in lead auto assign, there is the agent one. So agent one lead source is website. So he can handle two queries per day. And agent one lead source is website and Facebook, and he can handle five queries per day. So you can do a sort of automation. So it you don't need to assign a lead to your specific agent. So CRM will decide that which agent we need to forward that lead. So this is the automatic process. So when while creating lead, you can simply select auto. So auto will decide that which agent that lead should be assigned, and you can also assign to specific agent. This is a language. So that agent, which language that agent wants to talk. Phone number, email address. Email address is not mandatory. Address, country, state, city. So you can add your country, state, city, and you can also add a tags. So lead created. So lead ID is 24. So here it is. You can add a lead language and lead sources. By default, three sources I did. So you can add multiple lead sources and lead tags. You can add multiple lead tags and lead remarks. So while doing interaction with any lead, so agent need to select a lead remarks. So you can create a lead remarks. So status, that status shown in a while doing interaction with any lead. So follow up, you can add a new follow up status here. So that status will be shown while interacting to lead. Next one is SMS and email. So you can create a SMS or a email. For example, I creating SMS, just SMS one. This is SMS. Hi, so you can want to add a name here. Simply name. This is active. So you can create SMS like that. So that name automatically resolved while creating SMS, while sending SMS. So you can also create an email. So in email it will show you editor. So you can also add custom fields here. So this is the lead fields. So name edit. You can add multiple things like phone number, email address. So you can also alter that. If you want to add more, then it's easy to add. So this is a subject. So that test email created, and you can add a product. So while creating invoice, whatever your products have, you can create that product. So you can send estimate of your invoice to your leads. So if they is interested, then you can proceed with further your business logic, and you can create a multiple users here. So right now there are four roles: agent, admin, QA, and account. So you can create a multiple users. And next one is the email setup. So you can create your email. You can set up your email for sending emails. So it's easy to integrate a new email, SMTP server, SMTP pod. These things required to set up email. And next one is the system setup. So you can set up your company name, logo, currency symbol, text percentage. So you can configure that things here. And last one is the API for website. So you can configure that API with your any website. So that API, when you integrate that API, so it will auto assign leads to your agents. So here it is some sort of request: name, phone number, email, source. So source can be like Facebook website, whatever source you inserted in that particular lead source. So here it is sort of success response. So success true, lead created, that is null. So you can integrate it any website or any social platform where you can easily integrate that. So it's a post request. If you host that project on a server, then that domain will resolve automatically. So this is a admin panel. So now I'm showing you a demo of agent. That agent new leads, today follow up, missed follow up. So all the interaction agent can do with that dashboard. So here it is, not much left menu because of all the menus working here. So when user click on all leads, so all leads here, missed follow up here. So this is a sort of graph for that particular agent. So this is the last 30 days lead status. And agent can also create a lead. An agent can assign to auto or assign to self. And right now I'm showing you QA account. So this is a QA account. So menu less as compared to admin because QA has specific rights. So QA can see all the agent leads. And QA or admin can reassign the leads. So for example, that lead assigned to agent 1. So 3 leads selected. So QA assigned to agent 2, update. So that lead is assigned to agent 2. So when leads are reassigned to any agent, so timer reset. So it will increment according to day. So you can easily identify that how long that lead assigned to that agent. So lead ID 16 assigned to the agent 1 since 15 days ago. So QA can also alter lead auto sign. QA can also create a email and SMS. QA can also create a product, and QA can also create a user. So QA can create a user only agent. So this is the QA panel. Next one is the accounts panel. So for accounts, accounts can create a lead, create a product, and accounts can also create an agent. So at accounts panel, it shows an invoice is pending, invoice is approved, and invoice is rejected. So invoice is pending when accounts click on that view button. So accounts can view the full invoice, but can't update that invoice because accounts responsibility is to verify that invoice. So when so it shows the two statuses, approve and reject. So when accounts click on approve, then there is approved remarks. Now invoice status is approved. So now two invoices approved. So this is a sort of account panel. Invoices rejected. So full invoices analytic comes here. So this is a demo of CRM. So you can use that CRM as your business. It doesn't depend upon any specific area. So you can use your CRM in travel, in medicine. So whatever your business, so you can simply use that CRM and handle the leads. If you need any customization, then we are here for you for any customization. You can get the full source code. So link added at the description box of that video. Thank you. Thank you for watching demo.